Welcome to the video on stability constraints. In this video, we'll be discussing about two factors, solvency and liquidity, that will affect the stability of not just DeFi protocols, but also real-world businesses ranging from something as simple as a restaurant to something as complex as a bank. To understand that, let us look into what is solvency and liquidity first. In the context of a DeFi protocol, solvency simply means that the value of the assets held by the protocol is greater than the value of its liabilities, often debt to either depositors or other protocols. In another word, that means that the net worth of the protocol is greater than zero. If we were to liquidate the entire protocol, there will actually be positive value that will be distributed to governance token holder. As for liquidity, we want to know if a protocol has enough reserves in order to meet the different payments to either depositors or other protocol that it owes money to. And in the event that it has insufficient reserve, can the protocol acquire enough, or can it actually borrow from other users or protocol to meet its payments obligation? Finally, if any of these options are no longer available, can the protocol liquidate its assets in a fire sale to actually meet these payments obligation? But the big question goes back to solvency. Now, this is also where it gets tough. If a protocol sells off its assets at a much lower value than what it's worth in order to meet payment obligations right now, what happens to the solvency constraints? Does the protocol still have assets where its value is greater than its liabilities? Now that you understand the solvency and liquidity constraints, in our next video, let us use a tool from the accounting world known as the balance sheet to help you evaluate the solvency and liquidity posture of different DeFi protocols.